Very Vegan with Terry. I'm Terry. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. Today we've got such a treat. I am doing a double stuffed Oreo cake. Now Oreos are generally vegan on their own, but they're filled with a lot of refined sugar, which is not really good for us. This one that I'm going to show you how to make today has no added sugar, but it's very, very delicious. You know, and I can eat Oreo anything. If I'm upset, if I'm stressed, if I'm happy, Oreo is definitely one of those foods that I can eat way too much of. But this one here is nutritious and delicious. Let's get started. All right, we're starting with 1 cup of almond flour and 2 cups of oat flour. My oat flour is in here. So we're just going to add 1 cup of almond flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, along with 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 of a cup of cocoa powder. Just going to mix this together. 3 cups of unsweetened plant-based milk. I'm using almond milk. 1.5 cups of pitted dates, which I soaked so they would be easier to blend, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're just going to blend all this together until it's smooth and there's no chunks of dates left. Alright, I don't see any chunks of dates, so I'm going to pour this into the flour mixture and get this mixed up really well. And just mix this up like you would any other cake batter. I suppose you probably could use a mixer. Alright, now we're going to pour this equally into 2 parchment paper lined baking pans. Alright, these are going to go into a 350-degree oven for 35 minutes. Alright, while the cake is baking, let's make the frosting. We're going to start with 2 cups of cashews, which I have soaked overnight, 1 cup of pitted dates, which also have been soaked, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 cup of water. And we're going to blend that until it's smooth. The last thing you want is a chunky, gritty frosting, so you want to make sure it's really well blended. And we'll give it 1 more mix, and it's going to be ready to go. And there's our frosting. I'll show you how to put this together once the cakes come out of the oven and they have a chance to cool. Right, our Oreo cake has come out of the oven. It's ready to frost. I've already taken 1 cake and put it on a plate. Now I'm gonna frost it. All right, now all you gotta do, take this other cake, put it right on top. Right on top, and then we're going to frost that, and you can keep this in the refrigerator for 4 to 5 days. It should be fine. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you, have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ.